JCID X-13 Pro Max. Projector Read-Write module not only support Projector Flex cable detection and read-write for iPhone X-13PM, also support iPad Pro 3 and iPad Pro 4. The operation is as follows. Connect the disassembled original Projector Flex cable to the corresponding port of the Projector module. Click Read to read the Projector data. Click Save to save the read data to SD card. Buckle to the module with the JCID Projector Flex cable or original Flex cable replaced with JCID Projector chip. Click Check whether the cable is normal. Click Open to select the saved original file. Click Burn to write data.